Now here's a example. We just took out a plexiglass. This one has both lamps. This is 70 series. See, unfortunately, the 70 series is not gonna fit inside the old reflector. So what we're gonna do is we cannot use it anymore, and we're gonna set it aside, and we had to mount it here and here on the plastic film. You know, normally I would suggest that because the plastic film, this is plastic, okay. I would suggest that add one more UB54 series heatsink. But for this 17-inch, I'm not gonna recommend you, because first, the space is limited. There's not too much room to add another one. Second, because this is 70 series, it's much thicker. So let me show you. You can see the difference on here. This is the UB series, UB54. This is the 70 series. It's almost double size of a UB54. So which is fine. To mount it, it's quite same as before. Peel off the double side tip and just make sure I stick to the plastic films. Okay, TL, and I just you make sure stick to. This is plastic film. Do the same thing on this side. Alright, so let me take out the double side tip. It's a little bit tricky, this one. Okay, there we go. Oops. Alright, there we go. Alright, so you just kind of slice in. Yeah, okay, make sure just use your hand, push it to a plastic film, it will hold. Okay, because space is pretty tight. When we put the plexiglass, it will actually touch the plexiglass. Okay. Now we put that bottom sheet first. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's clean. Okay. Need to clean it. It's a little bit dirty here. I gotta do this. Let me turn over. Yeah, make sure it's clean. Okay. So it's clean. Okay. Next thing, we're gonna clean the plexiglass. Remember, you have to be really careful when you wear the gloves. Don't leave your fingerprint there. And then, because one small practice will become a dead piece, so let me put it back. Everything looks fine. Okay. Okay, now sit in. We're gonna do this shit too. There's a marking here. Marking. Okay. Now we're gonna put back the other diffusion sheet back. Make sure there's no dirt. So, all right. I can't see any. It's clean. Clean. Make sure it's clean. Okay, therefore should be. There's a marking hole here. I'm not sure you can see or not, but when you replace everything like for this screen, you're gonna see it. This plastic hole as I'm using as a marking. Just slowly. It's a little bit time consuming to align this. I would suggest that do whole 3 sheets at a time, because if you try to take 1 sheet at a time and then you have to click 1 at a time, so it's really too much work for it. So just slightly. Looks like everything's in place. Take a last look. Okay, clean. Clean. Looks clean. Now we're ready to put back the plastic. Make sure you put it by the right directions. Okay. Looks good. Make sure it's all in. Now we're gonna lay over a liquid glass. Make sure it's clean.